Hi, this video will show you how to use purchase orders inside the POS PC America, and also how to use automatic reordering feature that's already built in. So we're going to use one item as a reference. It's 10 RAM, um, 375 milliliters. So if I go here to options and administrative inventory maintenance, I can actually look up the item and find out more details about it. Okay, so once I pull it up, as you can see right on this screen, it tells me that we got 4 on hand, but let's check more deeper. Let's check our ordering info. So as you can see, the primary vendor is R&R Marketing and the cost is $13. Our reordering level is 5 and reordering quantity is 10. So what that means, if we use the feature where we use automatic reordering, what this is going to do, it's going to order 10 of these items plus 1 to meet our reordering level, so in total 11. And I'm going to show you that in the next screen. So let's exit out and go to purchase orders. So this is where you can actually create your purchase orders to give to your vendors so they can give you your items. If you click add, you can start a purchase order and you can find the uh, vendor for that particular item. If I go to items, it's going to list out all the items that this vendor actually has. And let's sort this by name. I see here my 10 RAM 375 milliliters. As you can see, I got 4 in stock. My reordering level is 5 and reordering quantity is 10. So what I can do, if I do manual one where I just select this item, what that's going to do, that's going to create a purchase order, and I can have this purchase order. I can open it up and I can see that now I have 10 ordered. So once I receive these items, I can say, hey, I received them all, and I can close this order. If I go back to the item in inventory maintenance and I look for that 10K in RAM, I can see that I have 14 because there was 10 on order. That's manual way. So let's flip this around. Let's sell those 10 and see how the system would deal with that. So if I go here to TS lookup and I put in 10 of those and I just sell those, I'm gonna hit that reordering level again. All right, so now if I go back to options, administrative purchase orders, and I start a new one for that same vendor, I can see that again, we got 4 of these. So let me show you the feature where we can reorder all stock items. If I click this button, that's going to populate the purchase order with all the items that are below the reorder level. And just to show you on the example that I was showing before, now we have the 10K RAM here with 11 to be ordered. Reason being is our reordering level is 5. So to meet that level, you're missing 1. And then we have 10 that would be generally reordered. So you can actually, it's in total going to be 11. So I can save this purchase order. And just because I have a lot of items, if I try to process this order, it might take a little bit. So once this order is open, I can actually go ahead and start receiving the items. So what I can do, I can start receiving items by item, or I can say that I received them all. In each instance, now it's going through the process of updating the database. So because we have a lot of items here on the list that are being reordered, it takes a little bit for that to be updated, but not too long. And now the entire process is done, and we received all the items. We can close this purchase order and our stock levels are updated again. So now if I go back and I show you that item again, the 10K in RAM, you can see that we are at 15, which matches. We had 4, system ordered 11, and now we have 15 altogether. That pretty much rounds up how the PC America deals with purchase orders. For more information, please visit us at digitalmarketpos.com. Thank you. Bye.